Hi, I'm Jade from Joelhood Property, and we're excited to show you through this 3-acre picturesque property in Doonan. 30 Stewart Court has been modernised throughout with ample indoor and external living surrounded by these private gardens. Let's take a look. On entry to the home, you'll be greeted to the warmth of hardwood timber flooring throughout. The open-plan kitchen, dining and living areas offer flexible living for those that like to entertain family and friends or prefer to have a cosy night in. The kitchen has been completely redone. It is bright and modern with Caesar stone bench tops and a ceramic glass cooktop. There's also 2 separate undercover outdoor entertaining spaces as well as a deck that wraps around the home where you can sit and enjoy the warm winter sun. For accommodation, there are 3 generous bedrooms, all with built-in robes, including the master, which has a large ensuite. Both the ensuite and main bathroom have been recently renovated, along with the laundry, which cleverly acts as a mudroom with separate external access adjacent to the front door. Under the home, there is ample covered storage for cars and equipment. The gardens are established, low maintenance, and a flat grass section at the rear offer usability perfect for family and pets. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for a renovated entry point property in Doonan in a quiet, family-friendly court, we do hope you'll pop along to one of our open for inspections. If you're interstate or overseas, we can walk you through virtually, no problem at all. Thanks again.